This is a 2010 Harley Davidson Road King. The color of this Road King is vivid black with gray pinstriping. It's a nicely accessorized Road King, and it is a one-owner bike. The accessories that he's added include the 12-inch bars for a little better comfort going down the road, braided cables, windshield bag, adjustable Harley highway pegs. Just put a high flow intake on the bike. Also, the seat is a Mustang seat. Very top of the line aftermarket seat. It includes the rider's backrest that is removable. It has a Harley Davidson detachable passenger backrest with the chrome luggage rack. Comes in real handy. You can take it off in about 5 seconds. And you can also take off the back seat if you want a solo looking bike. The bike's in very good condition. It has been maintained very well over its life. It has 43,989 miles on the odometer. The condition of it does not reflect the miles, and this bike runs very, very strong. It has the 96 cubic inch engine with the 6-speed transmission. It does come with factory cruise control for those long days out on the highway. Detachable windshield, of course the driving lights. Very well kept 2010 Road King. If you're in the market for a good, honest touring bike, do some traveling on, either long distance or local, you'd be hard pressed to find one in this good of condition, accessorized this well, for under $10,000. For information on how to put this great looking 2010 Road King in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. We can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.